You bought a gaming beast, but you're only using 90% of its power. Today, we're pushing the Lenovo LOQ 15AHP9 to its true limit. You might have noticed the overclock toggle in Lenovo Vantage. It's safe, but it's heavily capped. Lenovo limits these sliders to protect the average user from crashes. But here's a secret. No two GPUs are the same. It's called the silicon lottery. Just like muffins on a tray, some come out perfect, while others are just okay. Because my chip is a winner, I can push it further. I've tested a core boost of plus 220 megahertz and a massive plus 1100 megahertz on the memory. These are extremely high overclocks, especially for my laptop 4050. But for me, it shows stability and unleashes my laptop's full potential. The result? Higher frame rates and lower latency without hitting dangerous temperatures. Every chip is unique, so start slow and find your own limit. Here's a quick guide on using MSI Afterburner to overclock your GPU. Firstly, why only MSI Afterburner? This is because it is the industry-leading software which is used to overclock GPUs. Now I'll give you a basic guide on the MSI Afterburner overclocking. To install this, go to the official site, which is https://www.msi.com/landing/afterburner/graphics-cards. Here, click on the Download Final 4.6.6 button. It will download an executable onto your Windows PC. Run this file and install it. After installing, you will land on this page. Initially set these two sliders to plus 700 on memory offset and plus 190 on core offset. All LOQ GPUs are usually stable on this. After this, open a game and keep increasing this by 50 megahertz on memory overclock till the point where it is stable, and on core increase it by 5 till the point it is stable. Once you reach these values, run your games on these for maximum PC performance while keeping a vigilant eye on temperature. That's how you actually optimize a 40 series laptop. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me via the comments or email. Like and subscribe to TechSpectrum for more deep dives into LOQ hardware.